Have you gone through these feelings of lack of motivation, feeling low? You just don't feel like doing anything. You go for work because you have to, but you're not as motivated as before. Your friends call you out for dinner, and then you make up excuses saying that, oh, I'm very busy at work, so I can't make it. But then you come back home and then just lie down on bed doing nothing. This feeling low and lack of motivation is quite common during the perimenopausal and postmenopausal phase. It can happen at any stage of this phase. Firstly, ask yourself, is this only related to my perimenopause phase? Are there any other symptoms that I'm going through? Are you facing the other symptoms of perimenopause, like hot flashes, irregular periods, bladder or vaginal dryness, so on and so forth? Is there any other reason for stress? Is there something else that is probably responsible for this? To be sure that it is due to the menopausal phase, make sure that you consult your healthcare provider and tackle the problem, understand what the issue is, and address that. Once you've identified that this is related to the perimenopausal phase, then you need to take action. Now, we need to take action for this. There's nobody else who's going to help you or me or anybody in this matter. We are responsible to take action for this. So what do? Self-care. Very, very important. Prioritize self-care. Make sure that you're sleeping on time, you're eating the right food, you're doing the correct activity. Sometimes dealing with this alone is quite difficult. Join a supportive community group. If going to the gym and doing some exercises is not something that you feel you fancy these days, then join a group exercise class, whether face-to-face or online group exercise class. Surround yourself with like-minded community. Make sure you're keeping yourself well hydrated, going for walks. Most important, I always talk about it, one of the most important factors which we all neglect is sleep. Very, very important, not 4 to 5 hours, at least 6 to 8 hours of regular sleep. Practice this regularly, and I'm sure you will be able to get out of this feeling low, feeling lack of, there's this lack of motivation kind of phase slowly and surely.